number of you have asked me how I make my waffle potatoes, so I'm going to show you that, and I'm going to make my lunch at the same time. I'm just putting together some avocado with some cucumber, red onion, tomatoes, and I've got some Trader Joe's chili lime seasoning. Found some really nice avocados at my grocery store. Put this in first with some of the lime juice so that it doesn't turn color. And this is going to be a lunch for 2 people, so I'm estimating that this will probably be about 35 or so grams of avocado. I like to weigh my avocado because you can eat more. There's a better understanding of how many points are in it. Okay, now my lime juice. I just put my fork in it. You can stab it all over and squeeze it in. Move your fork back and forth. There we go with that. Add in my seasoning. Like I said, it's Trader Joe's chili lime seasoning. And I'm just going to add all the rest of my things in here. Here's my salad. A little bit of parsley. I'll put a link below on one of my videos on how to chop parsley. You can see how fast you can do that. Okay, now for the potatoes. I always cook up a batch of potatoes with the skins on in my Instant Pot. It's 14 minutes with it completely sealed on manual. So I've had these in here for about 10 minutes. This is a non-stick waffle iron. Sometimes it gets smushed up a bit. And I'm just going to spoon this on top. And I know that my hubby's going to load this up with some Frank's hot sauce too. I probably will do the same. So I'm going to count that as 1 medium potato plus the avocado. That's where my points are coming in here. So that's all ready. This is how I do my potatoes. You can use your hand, you could use a flat plate, or your potato masher. Give it a good push. Oops. And in it goes. It's really good if you can batch cook your potatoes because you can make potato salad, you can do all kinds of things with your cooked potatoes. Give a little press. Everybody's waffle iron is different, and like I said, mine takes about 10-15 minutes, and I started mine when I was preparing my salad, so that's what's on the menu today at Jill's for lunch. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.